Hello student, today we see the general layout of hydraulic system. Hydraulic system having different component. There are main 8 component of hydraulic system. Oil reservoir, this is the oil reservoir. Main function of oil reservoir is to store sufficient amount of hydraulic oil in the system. Second component, rotary pump. Rotary pump run with help of motor, means electric energy converted into mechanical energy and mechanical energy converted into pressure energy, hydraulic energy. That is the function of rotary pump. Third main important component of hydraulic system is pressure relief valve. The main function of pressure relief valve, whatever pressure developed by pump, if that pressure goes behind preset value, then this pressure relief valve open and oil goes back to oil reservoir. Means whatever pressure developed that do not flow through this circuit, means other parts do not damage. Means if excess pressure is developed, other component of hydraulic system are not damaged. So pressure relief valve is used when pressure developed by pump goes behind preset value, then oil goes back to oil reservoir. Fourth main component is direction control valve. This is the direction control valve. Here this is a lever operated 4x2 direction control valve. 4x2 means what? There are 4 ports. Pump port, cylinder port A, cylinder port B, and this is a tank port T. So these are 4 indicate number of port, 2 indicate number of position, means extension, this is the one position, retraction, that is another position. So extension, retraction, these are the 2 position. So 4x2 direction control valve, lever operated 4x2 direction control valve. Next valve is flow control valve. What is the function of flow control valve? Whatever amount of oil flowed through admitted in this actuator, double acting cylinder, that control with help of this FCV. FCV means flow control valve, means amount of oil admitted in this actuator, that control with help of FCV. Next component is actuator, that is double acting cylinder, that may be linear actuator, that may be rotary actuator. Linear actuator means single acting cylinder, double acting cylinder. Okay. Rotary actuator means motor, unidirectional motor, bidirectional motor, fixed displacement unidirectional motor, variable displacement motor. Okay. So here pressurized energy, hydraulic energy again converted into useful mechanical work. This is a cylinder, this is a piston, and this is a piston rod. Here useful hydraulic energy is converted into mechanical energy. That is the function of double acting cylinder. 7th part is pressure gauge. These are the pressure gauge. Pressure gauge indicate the pressure developed by pump. Means whatever pressure of that oil, that pressure indicate with help of this gauge, pressure gauge. Filter, last element in this general layout of oil hydraulic system is filter. Filter whatever solid contaminant, whatever micro submicron particles in the oil that are removed with help of this filter. So filter is the 8th element in hydraulic system. So components of hydraulic system. So general layout of hydraulic system, these are the only 8 parts. First part, oil reservoir. Second part, rotary pump. Third part, pressure relief valve. Fourth part, direction control valve. Fifth part, flow control valve. Sixth part, double acting cylinder. Seventh part, gauge. Eighth part, filter. So here they are given summary. What is the function of each part of oil hydraulic system? Oil reservoir. Main function of oil reservoir is to store sufficient amount of hydraulic oil in the system. Apart from this, it has other function also, to cool the return oil. Whatever oil return, to cool that oil, to settle down contaminant, to remove the air bubble. These are the function of oil reservoir. Next part, rotary pump. The function of pump is what? To convert mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. Means pressure of oil increases. Pressure relief valve, whenever pressure goes behind preset value, then pressure relief valve open, oil goes back to oil reservoir. Direction control valve, it controls the direction of flow of oil, by which it perform extension or retraction. In first position, if oil flow from P to A, then extension happen. If in second position of oil flow from P to B, then retraction happen. So direction control valve control the direction of flow of oil, due to which extension or retraction happen. Flow control valve, it control the rate of flow of oil, by which speed of extension or retraction of actuator is controlled. Next part, actuator. Actuator produces actual work, means that convert hydraulic energy into mechanical energy, pressure energy into mechanical energy. There are two types of actuator, linear actuator or rotary actuator. Here whatever actuator we are seen, that is a linear actuator, that produces a linear motion, reciprocatory motion. Double acting cylinder develop force and motion, it converts hydraulic energy into mechanical energy. Okay. Then with help of mechanical linkage, we can use this work for further application. Pressure gauge. It shows a pressure reading in hydraulic system. Without pressure gauge, it is not possible to make pressure relief valve setting, unloading valve setting, whatever there further valve we cannot set without pressure gauge. Okay. So pressure gauge is also important component in the hydraulic system. Last component, filter. Its main function is to remove suspended solid contaminant. ऑयल जब भी ये पूरे हाइड्रोलिक सिस्टम से सर्कुलेट होता है, that contain some impurity, some solid micron, submicron particle. To remove that solid contaminant, micron, submicron particle, we use filter. Okay. So this is a general layout of oil hydraulic system. ओके. तर हा व्हिडिओ आपला इथे संपतोय. तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास लाईक, शेअर, सबस्क्राईब, कॉमेंट करा. थँक्यू.